All right, we're rolling. These electric skillets, they are OP. This cooking with Big Veggie is going to be short because these electric skillets are so OP. So, got my 75-25 burgers. We're going to put 4 up in this. I literally just turned it on, so you're going to see how quick this thing heats up. I cook them at 300. We're going to let those fry up a little bit. I already know the deal. I'm going to cook these 4. These are for before I go to bed. And in the fat that comes off these 4 burgers, I'm going to cook my rice. Don't forget your salt. Essential ingredient to life. Got my Uncle Ben's long grain white rice. Break it up. You know the deal. So this has been one hell of a summer. If you guys have been following along on my channel at all, you know that I got back in my old apartment. Literally was living rent free. Didn't pay a single dollar. And was expecting just to get an eviction notice, you know. You got 30 days to get out, sort of deal. No, they sued me. Took me to court. Wanted a bunch of money. Gave me 10 days to get out. But I'm transmuting that. It's going to be my firm foundation for my next bankruptcy. So, no big deal. So yeah, I've been living in this hotel now this whole month of October. They put me in a regular room that's out front, you know, where all the normal people get to stay. And because I've stayed here so long, they moved me to the back of the building and gave me a cheaper room that smells like an old casino, which is fine. And yeah, back here with the riffraff, which is, you know, whatever. Jesus was friends with the publicans and sinners, so I got no problem being back here. Still, once again, way better than sleeping in the trunk of my car, which I did do. But, yeah, one hell of a summer. One hell of a summer. So just flip those, they'll be done in a minute. Quick update. Been working, I'm back at FedEx, working 6 days a week. Thank God. I love my route. It's in a town I used to live in, north of Nashville. So I already knew the area. And started playing tournament poker on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. Won a couple tournaments. And you get anywhere from first and second place in the tournaments. Gets you gift cards to wherever the tournament is at. So, been getting some free food here lately. Doing good at poker. Just Texas Hold'em. Man, I spent years of my life learning the game. Fell in love with the game. And now getting to play it 3 days a week for free, basically, but can win, gift cards. It's literally a dream come true, to where I'm not gambling any real money. It's all for fun, but if you get first or second place, you can buy some food or drinks with it. And I've been enjoying the hell out of it, man. Just getting to sit there and play my game, and make some new friends that are like-minded, as far as gaming goes. And just to enjoy my own energy a couple nights a week, doing what I want to do. It's been a blast. It's been a real blast. The universe has completely conspired to make it happen every single one of those days. I don't have to work late. I get done early. It's been awesome. So we're just going to heat that rice up real quick. Burgers are done. Those are for later. Here, popping fucking Rice Krispies. Turn the heat down a little. we go. 4 burgers, rice cooked in the burger fat. I appreciate you hanging out with me, and to all my new subscribers, I love y'all, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.